Reason number 486 of why UTEP is redefining higher education. This is Meredith, and she's on a mission.
I'm taking my position as a full professor to try to change what a scholarship can look like in the 21st century.
That's ambitious. What kind of tools are you using to achieve that?
Well, I will begin with video stories, podcasts, cooking, oral stories, creating a conference, virtual museums, and creating a picture that has something that moves.
Wow, that's a lot. Sounds challenging.
Really is.
Meet Marissa, one of Meredith's former grad students and current faculty. How'd you like Meredith's techie approach?
Honestly, I was excited. I can tell that technology is something that she's very interested in using and making sure is a part of her projects, which I appreciate because it means that no class is ever the same. I will admit it turned out to be harder than I expected, but in a very positive way.
Positive is good.
Being able to practice these forms of technology that may not be something we encounter in our day-to-day life is a way of becoming more familiar with unfamiliar ways with unfamiliar tools.
It's a way for my students and I to learn to be critical users of technology, not just consumers of technology.
Oh, sorry, I was doom scrolling. Can you repeat that?
We have such vast resources of technology that is constantly changing and constantly advancing. However, as the technology advances, if we do not have the opportunities to practice using that technology, then it doesn't do us much good.
So I think I'm trying to also help in one way or another to take the class outside the classroom, if that makes sense.
It does.
I think we come to higher education to be challenged, to broaden our experiences in ways that we might not have an opportunity to otherwise.
How has this changed the way you teach your class, Marissa?
It has inspired me to make sure that I am allowing my students to express the ideas that they are developing through learning the material with the different tools that they can use to express their ideas.
That's great. Any final thoughts, Meredith?
I feel like my job as an instructor, as a professor, is to actually make students uncomfortable. And what I mean by that is that we all live in a comfort zone. We have like a little, I think about it as a box. Like we live inside that box. And as long as we stay inside that box, we're comfortable, we're good, right? Because we understand everything. But I feel that my job is to break the box and make it a little bigger. Because the bigger the box that we live in, the more we can engage with the world in very different ways.
Meredith Abarca, redefining education at UTEP. How are you being innovative in your classroom? Make sure to let us know.